And the rope early lead is taken by Dayang Dayang, Sunday Street. Prince Perry moving up in between horses is Wonder Joyce and Typhoon Doring. And nearing the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Prince Perry. It's Prince Perry in the lead, followed by Wonder Joyce on the outside. Is second by the rail is Dayang Dayang, Sunday Street. And moving up on the outside is Typhoon Doring. Rounding the far turn, it's Prince Perry by 3.5 lengths, followed by Wonder Joyce in second, and Dayang Dayang moving up on the inside, and here comes entry number 1, Sunday Street, now moving up on the farther outside, and Typhoon Doring. The last bend for home, it is still Prince Perry, entering now by 4 lengths, followed by Sunday Street on the outside in second, Wonder Joyce, and Dayang Dayang, Typhoon Doring. Into the home stretch, it is still Prince Perry by 4.5 lengths, followed by Sunday Street on the outside in second, Typhoon Doring on the farther outside. But it's still Prince Perry in the lead, followed by Sunday Street on the outside and Typhoon Doring on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line is Prince Perry, and close between Typhoon Doring, Sunday Street, Dayang Dayang, Wonder Joyce.